We're just going to talk and we're going to have a great time.
Yes, we are. Absolutely.
So I had this crazy ass idea that I wanted to create an event that was a little unconventional, that would bring women together for some play, for some empowerment and inspiration, but not a typical women's event where you go and you listen and you hear words, and where do you go with it? How do you put it into action?
Yeah, you get talked at for a couple of hours.
Yeah, exactly.
And it ends up often being more exhausting than engaging.
Yeah.
So, like, to do this and to do this with you, because we share similar sensibilities and sense of humor, and to put that humor and irreverence and then add a creative piece where people can come away with something, it just brings the message home.
Yeah, they'll make a personal mantra of how they feel changed or empowered. It'll be a very positive statement. They'll get to hang it on their wall, and it'll become a part of who they are.
Yeah, just a constant reminder, and to take our three snarky personalities and put them together, where we're just pushing people's buttons and calling people out on their stuff. You know, I'm not cursing it yet, but you know,
well, getting people outside of their comfort zone is an important thing. You know, it helps build who they are.
I mean, you push people to get past that stuck feeling. You know?
Yeah, this is a new kind of engaging, active experience, and it's going to be a heck of a lot of fun.
Yeah, I'm thinking of it as experiential.
Oh wow, there's a new buzzword.
Yeah.
Join us for experiential empowerment.
Yeah.
So we hope that you will join the three of us for
Curse It,
Screw It,
Create it.
and get your girlfriends together, because we're really going to have a hell of a good time.
Hi, I'm Denise. I'm the event coordinator. Sign up today and we'll see you soon.